Hey guys, so here's a bit of a lizard avenger for you. So I just spent about half an hour with Miss Georgia in the bathroom here. Had her for a year and 3 months, and not once have I been able to, or even tried to cut her nails. But, oh my God. No, she's getting away. I just got done. Her freaking nails are so god awfully sharp, man. Just like little daggers. And my hands are all scratched up just for her, from her climbing all over. But her, I don't know if you can see, but I just clipped just the very, very ends. Got those little tiny little sharp points. Can't even see what I'm recording. I got most of the little sharp tips off. Even the back ones too. Most of them. They still look long, but at least I think my arms and hands look worse than her nails do. Jesus. How awful is that? But yeah, I got most of them, Jesus, cut, which they're not as sharp, but still sharp. She didn't seem to mind too much, and now she's climbing on my shoulder and my head. What are you doing? Oh my God, Georgia. Georgia. Ow. I don't know where she's going. I gotta put the phone down. What are you doing? Georgia. She's like, I'm running away. I'm getting out of here. What are you doing? So anyway, yeah, I just kind of had to keep her wrapped up in the towel as best as I could, and I had to keep repositioning her. But I mean, I really wasn't struggling to hold her by any stretch of the imagination. She was being pretty calm, actually. But I'm just glad I was able to get the ends of her daggers trimmed. That was the goal for today. Goal accomplished. You did good, Georgia. Yes, you did. You did good. Yes. She's like, F you. I need a nap now. Better get a treat after that crap. Maybe I'll thaw shrimp and give you a shrimp. And get a treat for being a good girl. It's kind of hard to, do that by yourself. I never had a problem with my Savannah because she would just hang out on me and just chill and lay down on me for like 20-30 minutes. I could easily just cut her nails anytime and she could care less. But this one, she's got so much damn energy and she's wiggly and squirming and wanting to walk around, run around, climb around. She doesn't want to hold still too long. But now she's like, oh, I'm glad that's over with. I'm glad that's over with. That sucked. That wasn't fun. It wasn't too horrible, was it, Georgia? No, it wasn't. No. And now she's climbing up on me. Hi, how are you? Hi. All right, that is it. And that is all. Where are you? Where are you? Back here again. Where are you going? Where are you going? All right, guys, that's it. Adios.